I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how have I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we...
Dumelang farmers, bitsola ka Nyalungu, o mongwe wa babereki mo Nyalungu Farm Project. Ka tsheko re na le Farmers Day mo Nyalungu. Farmers Day e ba tlo re ruta ka ditlhare, re tlo preparela winter. So somebody from Vibeck, we are expecting visitors from Vibeck. Ba tle be ba le mo ba tlo re ruta ka winter packs tse di tlo irang hore diphologolo tsa rena di survive.
On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
Dumelang, ka lebitso ke Simpiwe 6 Julie, founder and current project manager, Revolution Sat Productions Motswala. Revolution Sat Productions Motswala ba gaetsutse youth structure based mo Maboloka in the Northwest Province, Madibe municipality. Re dile ka creative arts, your dance, drama, poetry and music. We have a number of programs re dira mo your sanitary towel drive, your youth camps, your events, a number of events tse di hostang go dikolong for bana ba banyane. The current one re leng busy ka yona is called our food security project, whereby the artists they are creating their own food and making sure that we are able to sustain the organization. We also have a social entrepreneurship whereby we hirisa your sound system, your projectors, your cameras. If ever only interested to know more about Revolution Sat Productions Motswala, you can follow up on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram and Twitter at @repmotswala02 ke rena ba tanko.
On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
Who cooks the farm?
Zadi farmer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Traditional food. Look at here. Meat. I'm cooking goat today. You see? It's in the pot. Yeah. Stuart Bupape, chef Yagachi Farmer Day. Ba petse pudi. Re na le meeting re tlo rutiwa ka diphologolo, gore di tshwara byang, le di benefits tsa teng, gore ka benefit ga byang. A ke re wa bona le ana bana re rapile yona nam ya puti. The Farmer Day. Straight from our crop. On what? Hey, I read the guy, I read. Still come on, right? On what? I just go to Rutava but to benefit more family. On what? Agriculture, I say. On what? Yes, to come and bring them about farming. On what? Come go over the little benefits. On what? gore le tlo benefita bjang mo farming. Farming a ke yona ntho e tshwanetse re tsose nou wa ntshwara e sema Africa wa ntshwara ka gore ke ntho e re gotseng ka yona wa e bona a ke la bona le go di-industry-ing go bjang wa ntshwara so le mo farming at least o safe-nyana o monate ka mokoo you produce ka kere no tshwana le o lemile o mpila re tsamaisana le tsona tse di kaofela ra wa ntshwara le dipholoholo o bjala wa ntshwara yeah.
On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
Catch Wild Tour Sunday at 3 p.m. on Íkhono Reality. Recognize real.
We are there on all social media platforms.
Welcome to Íkhono, where reality bites, drama unfolds, and the wild side comes alive. One family, endless stories.
On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
My name is Íkhono Lethu. I'm the sales rep, farmer's assistant at Quebec. And I came here for an information day at Ostraf to teach and inform farmers. Teach and inform farmers about what kind of medicines that they can offer and how can those medicines help farmers. And any questions that they may think they want to know about the Verbet products and how can I help improve the lifespan and the health of the animals. Currently, Verbet are in the process of creating more medicines. They're in the process of producing more vitamins that will help especially cows, lambs and kids, and also adults, animals. They're also in the process of producing vaccines that can help animals, livestock, and they can also, if there are any initiatives that can help animals, and if any information that might arise from farmers that they want to know, I'm the first contact. I can help them, or I can hear what they want to know, how can I help them? And if the information is a little bit in a range of vets, I can escalate the matter to our vets. So that bag has all the vets that you can use. They can help each and every kind of disease or infection. They can help a lot by obviously not by only me teaching them about medicines, but also the feedback. The feedback also is very important on how they our medicines and antibiotics or liquids help the animals. Are they good, or is there anything that we can add on it, or is there anything that they need that we can produce or we can add in our medicines?
On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
Congratulations to Íkhono TV and Íkhono Reality for outstanding milestone on YouTube channels.
On ikhonofilms, nathi siyakhona. On Íkhono Reality, recognize real.
Mostly it helps by the feedback. The feedback is very important to our company. So that's why I'm saying that each and every feedback helps a lot. We want to know how our medicines are working. Are they good? Is our medicines helping? Most importantly, helping their animals. Is there growth in their animals? Are they seeing results in using? I'll be the main point of contact for feedback.
On ikhonofilms, nathi siyakhona.
The Íkhono is committed to upholding the high standards of content creation. We do not tolerate hate speech, violence, or discrimination. Under the code, we respect the rights and dignity of all individuals. We comply with the applicable laws and regulations. If you have any complaints or concern about our content, please contact us at email ikhonofilms@gmail.com. Call us on 067 606 1777. We take all complaints seriously and will respond promptly. On Íkhono nathi siyakhona.
On ikhonofilms, nathi siyakhona.